One of the cool new features in CampWorks 3.11 is segmented stays. This gives you the opportunity to have a single reservation that has multiple stay segments and can be on multiple sites and multiple dates. So let's show you how to do that. So let's just create a new reservation. And I'll pick it for a couple days and we'll move to a second site. So let's say we've got a few days on this site, so I'm just picking a reservation or a site. I'll save the reservation just like normal. Okay, so we've got the first segment essentially now stored. So now to create a stay segment, we hit change space and now there's a new option. If you hit the change space button in this window, it will just change this existing site. If you want to create a new stay segment, meaning basically adding on additional length on this reservation in another site, we click the create stay segment button. Okay, now we select the dates that we want. So it defaulted to the 6/1, which is where the other one ended. Let's go to 6/3. Let's find the site we want to put this on. Pick 33, add segment, new segment added successfully. Okay, now if we notice, there's an indicator under the dates section that says, hey, this is a segmented stay. And so to manage that, if you need to make changes to that segmented stay, well, first of all, let me show you how the segmented stay shows up now. So we have and this is just a little weird because I had taxes set up on site 3 but not on site 33. So there's no tax lines for this one, but anyway, just the stay has the dates for the rental space for 29th through the 5/29 through 5/31 on rental space 3, and then they're on 33 from 6/1 to 6/2. And so what CampWorks will do is it will maintain and try to figure out if there's a 7th day free, etc. It should keep all of that straight for the rate calculations. Okay, so now let's say you need to make a change to that. You can click on Manage and you have a new window. And this new window then shows you those dates for each of the spaces that they're on. And you can delete segments, add another segment, change the space of one of those segments, and so that's pretty much it. So let's say now we want to add another segment. Now we're going to move them again, so let's do add segment, and now we can see it's the dates, check-in dates are picking up where it left off from the previous one. So let's go a couple more days on a new one. Find. This time we'll go 31. Add segment. It's added successfully. Now it's saying, hey, do you want to apply the weekly rates? I'm going to say no. Okay. So now we have the dates in here for 5/29 to 5/31. You can see we have each of the different segments on the different sites. Now let's look at this reservation on the grid. The grid, to identify that it's a segmented stay, we've put some different markings on it. So let's see, so this one is our segmented stay, and so we can see that we have the 3 is up here, so these 3 are now all highlighted together and they have these dots at the end which indicates these are part of a segmented stay. So that's just one indicator that you can tell that that it's a segmented stay. So then when you click on it, they all highlight together so that you see that those 3 are all together. Click on any one of them and it should open the main reservation or the reservation for all 3 of those. And then if you need to delete a segment, let's say we need to delete this last segment, pretty straightforward, delete segment. It's telling us the warning, that's what you're going to do. Is that okay? Yes. Stay segment deleted. And now we're back to the shorter dates again, and our rates have been, that last segment has been taken off. let's say now we need to change the stay segment dates. So let's go into manage stay segment. And let's say we need to shorten this one. They need to leave or move a day earlier from 3 to 33. So we click on this first segment. The dates will populate at the bottom. We're going to change this to the 31st and hit change. Okay, and then let's go back in and change the second segment a day earlier. So now that also goes to the 31st as their move date. Hit change. And now if we go in, we can see we have 529 and 530 are on this date, and then 531 to 62 are on the second site, so 3 and then 33. So that's the basics of making a date change. And then same thing if you want to extend the last reservation, or the last dates. To extend the reservation, you would just click on 33, change this to, let's say, the 4th, hit change, and now we can see we've got 531 through 6/3, so another night at 35. So hopefully that gives you a clear picture of how to use the segmented stay feature, and something that hopefully will again be very useful to you.